Hey folks, here is a quick video and this is on public demand. A lot of you had asked me कि sir कौन से ऐसे tools या certification courses हमें करने चाहिए so that हम when we get into our MBA we don't face that much of an issue in learning new things or getting adapted to it. So this particular session is based on must know tools and softwares for MBA. What are the tools and what are the softwares that you should know beforehand so that when you get into the B school, when you do start your MBA, you're already prepared with these basic tools, basic softwares that would help you in excelling at whichever career that you're choosing. My name is Amit Surana. I am your DILR expert. The first tool that we are going to talk about, and the most obvious one, is what? It is MS Excel, Google Sheets, right? Now, everybody is aware of this. Ki sir, karna hi karna. Yes, of course. Whether you're doing an MBA or not, whatever kind of job role that you're going into, you will have to come across, one of these tools. You will have to get better at one of these tools. So might as well do it beforehand. MS Excel is the Microsoft version of it, and Google Slides is the Google version of it. It's a spreadsheet tool. This spreadsheet tool is going to help you do what? It is going to help you compute data, tons and tons of data. It's going to help you with the analysis of it. It can help you create charts. It's going to help you with financial modeling. It's going to help you with creating business reports. That's going to help you, your team, your manager, your clients, everybody get a good insight on what the data is all about, right? So this is not only for computation, but also for representing data. Yes. Now, is this specific for any particular MBA stream? Nahi. This is common across all the streams. Yes. This tool is common across all the streams of MBA. So whether you're getting into finance or operations, yeah, HR, you will have to one day play around with these. So might as well become a master at it before you get downgraded by your peers ke yaar itna bhi nahi aata. No, that's just the light part of it. But yes, to make sure that you do your job right and you maintain good records and data, you'll definitely need this. So the first thing is a good spreadsheet tool. The second thing is a good presentation tool. जो भी आपने data collect किया है, whether it's based on the data, whether it's based on any new ideas, whether you're pitching something, whether you're trying to represent what new ideas you have or what you've already done, the work that you're about to do, the work that you've already done, or the work that you're doing right now, ये सब चीजों के लिए you need a good presentation tool so that you can show your work. Now, PowerPoint, Google Slides, basic ones. These are proper presentation tools. They'll help you present professionally. They help you communicate your business ideas, and this is also common across all the streams because someday or the other you will have to do presentations, whether it's during your MBA or after your MBA, you'll have to do them. So might as well get better at it. You don't have to become a maestro in a presentation tool. You don't have to put in a lot of animations, but if your ideas can be presented in a more creative way, there's nothing like it, है ना? ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि आप इधर से ये उड़ा रहे, वो उड़ा रहे, ये उड़ा रहे. That's not necessary, but the easier it is for you to visually communicate your idea, that will do most of your job. Yes. So the second tool that you all must be comfortable with is a good presentation tool. The examples are MS PowerPoint and Google Slides. The third one we are going to talk about is a little more advanced when it comes to data. So ये चीज आपको पता होनी चाहिए कि MBA is all around playing around with data, right? Whether you are taking the data to compute something, whether you're taking the data to analyze something, whether you're taking the data to present something, either which ways, it is about data, right? Whichever stream you're going to be a part of. Now, Tableau or Power BI, these are a little advanced tools. These are basically if you put MS Excel on steroids, this is basically that, right? So this is an interactive data visualization software. This does not only help you calculate and compute and deal with data, but it also makes it easy for you to visually represent those data, not using some basic looking charts, but making interactive charts, making interactive looking data charts. That's going to do most of your job. So if you can get, so this I'll tell you is a step above MS Excel. If you're done with MS Excel, that is when you should start thinking about taking up any data visualization software like Tableau or Power BI. This will help you with business intelligence, data analysis or visualization, and to create coherent insights. This is also common across all streams. This is more common across streams that has to do with people facing. So I'm talking about, say, marketing. So if you're getting into marketing, this is a mandatory software that you should be comfortable with. You should be easily be able to play around with these software so that you can represent the data that you're looking at. Yes. Beyond that, we have database management tools like SAP, Oracle, that is your SQL, right? These are database management tools. These are your ERPs, right? That is enterprise resource planning. They'll help you with accessing and sharing common data securely. This is not only for taking up data, computing. No, this is beyond that, right? So this is what? This is an ERP. This will help you plan the resources, make it easy for it to get communicated across the teams in the organization. So a lot of the teams use SAP, use Oracle, so it's good that you could get better with that, right? And these are also common across all streams, but more specifically, this is for streams that deal with database management. Okay. The last tool that we are looking at is CRM tools, which is your customer relationship management tools, right? Some of the examples for these tools are Salesforce, Fresh Sales, MS Dynamics. These are just some examples. It depends upon which organization you're going to go with and which CRM tool they use. But getting used to any one of them will be good. Yes, this will help you get easy access to the other one. So agar aapko, for example, if you are comfortable with Salesforce, then you will automatically be able to adapt yourselves to MS Dynamic or Fresh Sales or whatever. Okay? So these are CRM tools that specific organizations use. This is specific for streams that are more client facing, right? So job roles that require you to get into proper sales. Yes. Be it marketing or sales, this will definitely help you. So business development, ye definitely help karega. This will help you manage good relationship with the customers in terms of sending them messages or giving them a call. There's a lot of automation options available there. Sales forecasting, all of that, right? So this is more towards sales. Now these some of these examples that we've already seen, these are some basic ones. इनके अलावा भी, so if you want to get into, let's say, it depends upon what stream you want to get into. Agar you want to get into, say, digital marketing, right? Then there are different tools for that. If you're getting into big data, there are different tools for that. There's Hadoop, there's if you're getting into digital marketing, there are AdWords. So it's or any SEO tools, search engine optimization tools. So it's all about what you want to do, which stream you want to take up. But this initial three that I just showed you, right? Initial three that I showed you, MS Excel, PowerPoint, and any of the database management tools, ये अगर आप मास्टर करते हैं, this will take you on the next level initially itself. So before even you do your MBA, you can show the certification course in your profile. Obviously will add up a lot of weight there, but along with that, ये आपको personally भी बहुत हद तक help करेगा. So I hope the short video was helpful for you all. All the very best for the future. Cheers.